Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to show you planks, 9x8, walnuts. There's the other one right there. Kind of see what they're kind of doing trim. I had the guys take a break. Go ahead, you can start doing trim there. I'll just video this door. Just wanted to show you. I know it's kind of a shadow line here, so just show you the rich depth of the planks. Just love these doors, man. Look at that. Beautiful wood tone. We took out some original wood doors in here. We'll show you the 32s. Those went bye-bye. Here's the wood doors that were in there. Some kind of funky tongue and groove with an overlayment. They had beadboard on them. There's the jack shaft. That went bye-bye. And we put in a regular opener. Big button? Yeah, okay. Oh, you're fine. I don't care. I'll talk over it real quick. This is gonna be a short video, anyways. Everyone's seen a bazillion of these doors. I'm just showing like a solid planks. That's all. And we gotta do some cleanup here, but we got nice clean 15s. That's one of the older LiftMasters. They don't make anymore, which I wish they did. That was like, in my opinion, that was one of the coolest LED ones they had. So went from that to that. It's almost like I think LiftMasters kind of downgraded, didn't they? I mean, okay, yeah, you get a cheeser video camera, but most of our customers don't use the video camera. So in my opinion, that's just way cooler. But whatever, I'm not in charge. Got the nice tracks. Went with 15s. You can see where our 32s went. And then, oh wow. That's where this guy had a car lift. You can see how it goes up there. So that's where we had to put the hangers way up there. And that one we had to make longer. I'm glad you guys had enough angle. I forgot how much angle you're gonna need. I totally spaced that.
We're good. I stopped the truck.
What were they? Like 3s or 4s? With the 32s? How long was that?
They were like 5s and now I got
Yeah, they're like 5. So you can see the 32s are like 5. These went down to about a foot, 2 feet, 2.5 feet. But anyways, we're gonna close the door. We got all 13 ball nylon, 14 gauge or 13 ball nylon, 14 gauge hardware, long stems on the bottom, all the nice wheels, dual spring, that's nice. Dual springs. And these are urethane? Oh yeah, yep, urethanes. Nice doors. All right, I'm gonna close this one up and finish up the video here. 9x8 planks, walnut. These are absolutely beautiful. These are my new favorite doors. We love planks. Look at this one in the shade. Just looks awesome. There's the front door. There's kind of matches, right? Dark, dark. That looks beautiful. Look at that trim, just pristine. Look at that beautiful cut and fit. Look at that, just awesome. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for smashing that subscribe button. You guys are awesome. Without you, it don't happen. Drop a comment, drop a like, and we'll help you out any way we can. Thanks a lot for watching our videos, guys. And Happy New Year 2024. And we will talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching our 2 9x8 planks walnut garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our planks walnut garage door video.